Hello, my name is Dan Fashionbauer, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make your Wi-Fi run 2 times faster on a Windows 10 PC. So the first thing you want to do is go down into the lower left hand corner on your Windows machine where it says type here to search and enter in device space manager, and then this menu here pops up and select device manager. And in this area over here, find the network adapters right here. Double click on that and then find your network adapter, which should be listed in this one of these top 3 areas. You don't want the personal area network and you don't want the family controller. You'll have something else here. And in my case, it's a dual band wireless AC 3165. Yours might be listed as something a little bit different. Right click on that and click on properties, and then come up here and click on the advanced tab, and then in this listing here select preferred band. You'll see here that currently my value is no preference. Use the pull down and select the highest speed band that's available to you. In my case, I can select prefer 5 gigahertz band and then click on OK. Now let's see if that really did save. Let's right click on that again, click on properties, click on advanced, select preferred band, and sure enough, the default value now is prefer 5 gigahertz band. So now your internet router should be feeding your PC with a faster speed and allowing it to run at least twice as fast. I hope you found this video useful, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.